Welcome to the QualiTrue Sampling System's installation instructions for welding a QualiTrue sanitary port. QualiTrue sanitary ports can be either welded or tri-clamped in place. The following tutorial demonstrates the proper welding method for installing QualiTrue butt weld sanitary ports for use with QualiTrue TrueStream and TrueDraw sampling systems. QualiTrue sanitary butt weld elbow inspection ports are available in 2-inch, 2.5-inch, and 3-inch diameters. Welding should be completed in compliance with the appropriate regulatory 3A sanitary standards or ASME bioprocessing equipment standards. To begin, prepare both of the ends of the piping to ensure they are clean and smooth. Next, move the QualiTrue butt weld sanitary port into the appropriate place. Then, weld around each joint between the sanitary port and existing sanitary piping. Once you have the port firmly in place, grind flush and polish the weld area. Once installation is complete, you may begin sampling with the QualiTrue sampling system. If you have any questions about the installation of the TrueStream 7 or TrueStream 12 sanitary inspection ports, please call QualiTrue Sampling Systems at 651-501-2337. Thank you for choosing QualiTrue Sampling Systems.